People travel to Kyoto for its temples and gardens, but some of the city's most beautiful stories are hidden in small shops, places where everyday tools are still made with the same care as they were centuries ago. Today, I'm taking you to 6 unique craft shops. Some are nearly 200 years old. One dates back more than 700 years. Each reveals a quieter, more intimate side of Kyoto. Let's begin our walk. Our first stop is Naito Shoten, a brush shop founded in 1818. Inside, the shelves look almost like a museum collection. Rows of brushes made from straw, coconut fiber, palm, horsehair, and pig bristles. What I love is how practical everything is. Brushes for the floor, beds, tables, dishes, and makeup brushes. Simple tools, but made with surprising elegance. People say those brooms are incredibly light and swept without kicking dust into the air. A small detail, but it says a lot about Kyoto's attitude toward everyday life. You will also find little charms and keychains, handmade in the same quiet spirit. Next, we visit Kikuichimonji, a knife shop with more than 700 years of history. Walking inside feels overwhelming. Hundreds of blades in different shapes and sizes. Tools made for shelves, craftsmen, and homes. Their nail clippers are loved by travelers. And every knife is lifetime sharpening. A promise comes from a 7th century old shop. Across the street is Onishi Kyosendo, established in 1830. Now run by the 9th generation of the family. This shop is a world of color. Delicate patterns, restrained gold accents, and endless variations of folding fans. But these aren't just souvenirs. Some are made specially for temples. Others are for traditional dance or tea ceremony. Each fan reflects a different rhythm of Kyoto's culture. A quiet expression of beauty. Our next stop is Ishiguro, founded in 1855, a shop filled with traditional handmade incense sachets. choose your own ingredients and create custom scents right in the store. Fragrance here is not just a smell. It is a memory. At the entrance, there is even a little sunshade gacha machine. Close by is MUSUBI, a specialty furoshiki shop, run by Yamada Sein, a company founded in 1937. Inside, more than 200 furoshiki patterns cover the walls like an art gallery. Some are original designs, while others are collaborations with artists. Our final stop is Modoribashi. Unlike the other shops, it isn't centuries old, but it is one of the most visually striking places in Kyoto. The first floor sells antique and new kimono, unlike traditional designs that follow strict rules. Modoribashi's modern kimono feel dreamlike, slightly strange, slightly whimsical, like you are stepping into a fairy tale. Upstairs is the owner Mr. Watanabe's private collection. A dim, beautiful, surreal museum. Red and black walls. Taisho and early Showa antiques. Kyoto is often seen as ancient and unchanging, but these small shops show something different. That tradition survives not by freezing time, but by continued use, and by being made with care, again and again.